Try mo, te. Masarap ba? Yung kay Teacher Owie na...
Wait lang.
Sige.
Hi Fab Friends! Welcome back to my channel. This is your Fab friend Jacky Navarro. And if you are new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. So today I will tour you to the night market here in Thailand. So I will show you what's inside or what you can see in the night market. So let's go! Let's go, let's go. I will be with Chino later, so it's gonna be super fun. Bye! Hi everyone! So I will be doing my makeup first, but for today I will not put any foundation on. I want my face to, you know, give it time to breathe, and so I'll just be doing my eyebrows and then a little bit of blush on and lipstick. So that's it. So I'll just let my hair dry and we're gonna start the tour later. Facebook, sabihin ko. Okay, let's go.
Sa totoong buhay, please.
Okay, so saan tayo?
Di ko alam, te, kung nag-invite, eh. Ano ba to?
Night. So they have
Divisoria?
Divisor. So they currently have holiday for 2 days, and ano, I don't know why they have this. This night market is from July 16 to 29 now.
Hey, go look, vlogger.
Oh, let's go.
Sarap.
Bili ka ba? Nagbibideo ka dyan?
Video lang. Asahin natin si ate.
Exotic food here in Thailand. Let's go check it out.
Go, check them out. Exotic food.
Exotic? Shrimp exotic.
Wow! Crab.
Cricket.
Oh my god.
Woodworm yata. Pero mahal yan.
Tapos kinagat kang bigla, di ba? Pahiram ako ng pera, transfer ko mamaya. Wala kang lower? Wala akong cash eh. Kasi transfer ko ngayon. Eh hindi rin niya maanuhan eh.
Oh my God.
QR, baka QR. Ayun. Wala po kaming pera, bumibili po kami ng walang pera.
Meron din. Oh, di ko nagkaintindihan ko.
Go, try it. Masarap, te. Sarap ba? lemongrass jelly. Parang. Bet.
Small 25 daw. 25 sa'yo?
Hindi, ikaw. 40 na lang, sige. Sarap. Try mo, te. Masarap ba? Yung kay Teacher Owie na...
Ay, wait lang.
Sige.
Oh my God.
Ganun, te. Dapat tirik ang mata, buka ang bibig, labas dila. Sabay sabing masarap.
Sure ah. Tinginan ako naman nagbibenta. So they also have options here.
ตอบพร้อมไม่พร้อมพร้อมแล้วผมจะได้ใหญ่เดี๋ยวจะได้แจกฟรีฝั่งไหนอยากได้ก่อน
Video ka daw yan. Pinaypayan ka inal ko.
Pa-video-video kayo, hindi kayo na bumibili eh. Try mo naman yung ano, yung halaman.
Ay, wala. Depende ko.
Oh, di ba? Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah.
Oh my God. Ah, tingin. 20 baht. Ay, may isa pa dito. Ang dami pa. Ay, mas maganda to. Ang ganda. Ay, sus.
God!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Charot! OMG. Parang ang taas naman daw. Oh my gosh!
Selfie time.
Wala, sige. Buti kung magkasya tayo. Ito na yung itsura namin. Yung space namin dalawa. Super liit. Ayan.
Di pala siya nakakalaman.
So, how do you feel right now? Do you feel any pressure?
I don't feel any pressure right now because I have prepared for this pageant. Speechless.
My family!
Ano doon? I got stinky, I got
Ano
dirty,
stinky?
but see, I learned.
I learned! Oh my God! Tayo lang ang maingay dito, te. Ang ganda nung ilaw. So, after 30 rounds, 30 baht, nahihilo na po ako. No, teka lang. Oh.
Pinapabuti ng 30 baht mo.
Oh. Ang gwapo ni Bart! Ah! My God! Ang gwapo! Oh, yummy! Oh, sana! May concert sa baba.
Selfie nga tayo, te. Gamit yan.
Nahilo ako. Oh my God! Saan naman tayo? May paa dun, ha?
Ayun, oh. Ay, mag-art.
Art. Painting.
Ang nice, ah.
Art. Ano sa racing?
Pinapapunta ako kila.
Ay, ang saya.
Amoy sapatos ni dito. Yun, oh. Gusto mong sumakay?
Pambata yun eh. Pambaget. Tayo lang ang titili dyan. Tayo lang matanda tumitili. Ito yung mga babae na binabato nila tapos babagsak sa water. Nag-trending to eh. Taray, naka-shake.
So ngayon, te, di ba nagpa-vlog ka? Sina-challenge kita, te.
Ayoko!
Sina-challenge kita. Pasok tayo dyan, oh. Pasok tayo dyan. Or house, te. Te, required to, te. 20 lang, oh. 20 baht, oh. Pasok tayo dyan. Go na! Go na! Tara! Iba-vlog natin to. Tara! Yay! Tara na! Pasok tayo! Go na! Go! Mabilis!
So that's the end of our vlog today. I hope you guys enjoyed and
that's it.
and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you had fun, and we will see you again on our next video.
See ya.
Bye!